Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the deposit bank account information in HoneyBook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your bank account information for deposits anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common for you to switch over to a different bank. If so, you need to make sure that you change the deposit bank information in your HoneyBook. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and change the deposit bank information, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initials. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and click right here, company settings. Once you do that, you'll see this other menu here to the left, and you want to click here on bank details. Once you do that, you're going to see your banking information right here. And in order to change the bank, you're going to click on view and edit. However, if you simply want to delete the banking information, you can do that too by clicking on this trash can. But today we're going to go ahead and change the bank details. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the account number and routing number for the current bank. So you can easily just click in there and change the account number, the routing number, and the name of the bank, and then click on save. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the bank deposit information in your HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.